Hey there, welcome to this short demo of BankPDF, the world's most accurate bank statement converter. We use both OCR technology and artificial intelligence to accurately extract information from PDF bank statements into clean Excel or CSV files. So all we have to do if you're already on our website is logging in, and you can log in for free with your Gmail account or your email address. If you use your email address, we'll send you a link to your inbox, which you can use to log in. But in this case, I'm just going to go log in quickly with my Gmail accounts. And I'm in, and you'll see a table here with my past bank statements that I've converted. They will be deleted after 3 days. So what we suggest is that when you convert your statements, please download them as soon as you can because they are deleted. But to convert a statement for the first time, simply click on the drop zone at the top, select your bank statement, and it will start processing right away. It will take a few seconds, and in the meantime, I'll show you what statement I'm exactly converting. So you can see here, this is a syntactic bank statement we generated, but you can see that it looks pretty legit with the dates, the balances. We even have like double lines, the values, as well as the balance. And as soon as the process is completed, you will see the completed status next to your bank statements, and then go to download and download the standard XLS version. Once you do that, it will look something like this. You will see the movement dates, the descriptions, the correctly identified movements, as well as the signal of those movements, if it's a negative or a positive movement, as well as the balance. You can test it for free up to 10 pages, so we're very generous. You can put here your bank statements and test it. If you're happy with the results, you can then subscribe to one of our paid plans. They depend on the number of pages you're looking to convert per month. And if you need our help, you can also contact us. We have our email address here at the bottom, support@bankpdf.com, and also a live chat. We're always very happy to help you. Thank you.